Hi friends, I'm going to start Laravel blog series, and this series will contain around 7 to 8 videos. In the first video we will create blog database and download free admin template that we will use in our project. Because I think sometimes downloading free templates that serves our purpose, it's not easy. Most of the templates are paid. Before starting this series, you should know the basics of Laravel, PHP and MySQL. If you don't know the basics, don't start this series. I will also make Laravel basic series after finishing this project. So let's begin and create our database first. I already have blog database. I will delete that and create a new one. Drop, okay. Database name, blog, create. Now our blog database is created. Now this database will contain around 4 to 5 tables. Let's create the first table. First table will be our posts table that will contain around 8, maybe 10 columns. First will be our ID, that will be auto increment and unique, then title, short description, long description, image, post date, status, created at, the data types, title, varchar, short description, varchar, long description will make a text, image, varchar, post date, date data type, created at, date time. $255. No, title should be 255. This one will make as 1000. Image 255. ID will make auto increment. See, if you know the basics of Laravel, you already know why I have given table name as posts, why I put S at the last. I can make it as post, not posts. If you know the basics, you know that. Save. Now create another table. The second table will be our pages. New, pages, ID, then name, description, status, add one more column, created at. Name should be varchar, description should be text, 255, ID auto increment, save. Then there will be another table, contact us, new, we will write contacts, and we will have around 6 fields in this. ID, name, then email, mobile, message, created at. Name should be varchar. Email also varchar. Mobile varchar. 255 255 20. ID auto increment. Save. Then last table will be our users. New users, 5 columns, ID, username, password, status, created at. Username varchar 100 auto increment. ID should be auto increment. Save. Now our database part is almost complete. If we want to add something, we will add later on depending upon our requirement. Now let's go and download admin template. We will write HTML free admin templates. Let's open this. Lot of things are there in these templates, and these are paid templates. We want something free. Close this. Here we have so many templates. Let's check this one. Click live preview. This one has forms also. Tables. We'll see the tables. Let's download this one. And we will download one more template and see which one is better. Let's download this one also. Live preview. This one looks nice. Download this one. Extract. Open index page. Tables, we need tables. Where is table? Form also we need. Tables. Where is table? Basic table. Yeah, this looks nice. We will use this admin template in our project. So friends, this video I will finish here, and in the next video we will create project and integrate our admin template. Hope you like this video. Thanks.